Today is 18th of June. And what day is there today, Merin? Today is Friday. Yes, today is Friday. And what date is there? 18th of June. Okay? Now we have done so many alphabets now. 26 alphabets hote hain. So we have done, yesterday we did till J. J for Joker. We did till J. Isn't it? Everyone did till J now. J for Joker. All of you. Now today children we are going to do this. What comes after J? J के बाद क्या आता है? What comes after J? Yes. So today we are going to do K. K for kite. K for kite. K for king. King का मतलब पता है क्या होता है? राजा. K for king. K for kangaroo. है ना? K for kettle. K for kettle. Kettle जिसमें चाय होती है तो you pour the tea ना. K for kettle. K for kangaroo. Okay children? See, I will show you this book. See this. What is this? This book. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. This is capital K children. Capital K. This is small k. Okay. So what is this? K. Advika Kapoor. Which alphabet is this? K. Okay. K for kangaroo. And what is this? Knife. Knife. Kettle. Kitten. Kitten कौन क्या होता है? What is kitten? जो baby cat होती है ना उसको kitten बोलते हैं. What is baby cat called? Kitten. Baby cat is called kitten. और baby dog को क्या बोलते हैं? Puppy. Baby dog is called puppy. Okay. And baby cat is called kitten. Okay. See. ये देखो. See. This is baby cat. Baby cat. Baby cat is called kitten. This is what? Kettle. What is this? Knife. This mama uses it in the kitchen now to cut the vegetables. To cut the vegetable, cut the fruits with a knife. And what is this? Kangaroo. What is this? Kangaroo. Kangaroo. And K for kite. And children, K says what sound does K make? Ka. Ka. K says ka. Okay. K says ka. What sound does K make? K says ka. Okay. K says ka. Ka. All of you say sound ka. K says ka. Okay. And K for kangaroo. K for kite. K for kettle. Okay children, now see my blackboard. How we are going to write K. Red line to blue line, standing line. Standing line you will make, then slanting line up, slanting line down. This way you are going to make K children. Red line to blue line, standing line, slanting line up, slanting line down. Okay. Then once again red line to blue line, standing line, slanting line up, slanting line down. So what is this? K. K. Letter K. K. K says K. K says K. K says K. K for kangaroo. Kite. Kitten. K. Okay. अब kite कैसे बनेगी? See, make a triangle like this. Then again make a triangle and then like this. This is a kite. See, you make a triangle. सबको triangle बनाना आता है? Triangle, triangle. Okay. Then again slanting line down, and like this. Kite. तुम लोग काइट ऐसे भी बना सकते हो. काइट ऐसे भी बना सकते हो. K for kite. You can make a kite like this also, children. K for kite. K. Standing line, slanting line up, slanting line down. K. Standing line up, slanting line down. Standing line, slanting line up, slanting line down. So this is K. K for kite. K for kite. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K says K. K says K. K for kite. K for kite. Okay. So you will learn, children, till K. I am going to do till K. K. Okay. Okay, understood, children? And everyone will do in the copies very neatly. You are going to do in the copies also. How you are going to do, children? See. See in my copies, children. See, this is there. This is the letter K. Okay. So you are going to write CW. What is the date? 18-6-21. So you are going to write standing line, slanting line up, slanting line down. Again standing line, slanting line up, slanting line down. Standing line, slanting line up, slanting line down. Children, this way you are going to make K. Like this. K. K for kite. K for kite. See how I am writing? Standing line, slanting line up, slanting line down. K like this. Again K like this, children, in a straight line. K says K. K says K. Like this. Okay? Like this. Like this, children, you are going to make in a straight line. Use a sharp pencil. Everyone, Ashwika, very nicely you are doing the work. अब kite कैसे बनेगी? देखो, triangle, slanting line down, like this. Kite. K for kite. K for kite, like this. Make a triangle. Then again make a triangle like this, slanting line, join it, and like this. Okay. K for kite. And on the next page you are going to draw a big kite. See? देखो मैम ने ये kite already draw कर रखी है. Join the dot, K, triangle, like this. Then again the other triangle, bottom side, like this. Then small triangle, and then a string of a kite, like this. And you are going to write CW, 18-6-21. So both these pages, children, you will do. K for kite, color it also, and on the next page, kite. K. Okay. On the next page, you are going to do K. Like this. Make a triangle like this. Okay. K for kite. K for kite, like this, children. See? Triangle and like this. K, letter K. Like this, children, you are going to write. Okay? K for kite. And in the workbook also, children, you will do it. Tomorrow is a holiday na, Saturday. So you will finish till K. K page in the workbook also.